In this experiment, we will investigate the factors that determine the magnetic force acting on a segment of strict current-carrying wire. First, set up the apparatus. Switch on the power supply. The pin tends to swing downwards. Place a rider on the arm XY. Adjust the current I through the balance until the balance is leveled. Repeat the experiment with different number of riders N. Plot a graph of N against I. Place one rider on arm XY. With the balance leveled, place another pair of slab-shaped magnets around XY. The length L of the wire segment in the magnetic field is doubled. Keep the size of current constant. Place a rider on XY. Is the balance leveled? Place another pair of magnets. Place a rider on XY. Is the balance leveled in this case?